All right. So today I will explain to you a lot of things. आज मैं आपको बहुत सी चीजें explain करूंगा in Chinese language, right? It is just
Okay,
you have to speak after me. Is it clear to you? ठीक है?
okay, sir. Okay.
See, today we have a sounds. See what we'll do today. Today we'll do sounds. Today what we'll do? We'll do sounds in Chinese.
Sound.
Sounds plus vocabulary. Okay, plus
ठीक है सर.
your
लिखने हैं.
conversation. No, no, don't. If you want to write it down, you can write it down. Else, session is a recording. You will get the recording, right? If you want to write it down, that's not a problem. Now, so it is just you have to repeat after me. Speak up, suo. Speak up, suo. Speak up, suo. Speak after
Suo.
me, suo.
Suo.
Z sound. Mera. See, you can see my voice. You can see my face. Speak up.
Zuo.
Tsuo. Speak up. Tsuo. Speak up. Tsuo.
Suo.
Tsuo.
Suo.
Yes, speak up.
Suo.
Tsuo. So over here we have a floating sound. Over here we
Okay,
have
sir.
a sound which is downwards. This sound is downwards. Tsuo. Speak up.
Okay.
Tsuo.
Suo.
See, it's the sound is basically Z. Okay. U. Is it clear to you? And we have
Yes, sir.
O. But over here we have
Okay.
a sound which is like this. Suo. Speak a
Down.
very normal. Suo. Suo.
Suo.
See,
Suo.
see my hand. Suo. See my hand. मेरा हाथ देखो आप. Suo.
जी जी.
Suo.
Suo.
See my hand.
Suo.
Suo. Suo is my
Suo.
vocab. Basically, is to do and to make. Pen down, please. Suo is to
Suo.
do and to make. Suo. Speak up.
Suo.
Suo. Speak up.
Suo.
Suo. Suo.
Suo.
Suo is my vocab because over here we have a sound which is downward side. Suo. Speak up. Suo.
Two.
Suo.
Suo. Suo.
साउंड क्या है आपकी आधा त एंड स which is speak up, speak up.
This.
Very good. Speak up.
This. Suo. This.
Suo.
This.
Suo. Suo.
This.
और इधर भी
Suo.
कैसे suo.
Suo.
Suo is my vocab
Suo.
to do and to write in Chinese. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So you have to repeat after me. Speak up.
Suo.
Suo. Speak up. Suo. Speak up.
Suo.
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 Speak up. Suo.
Suo.
Speak up. Suo.
Suo.
Suo is my vocab to do
Suo.
and to make. Now repeat after me. Suo is to do. Speak up. Suo is to do.
Suo.
Suo is to do and suo is to make. Because today we'll do the verbs. Today
Okay.
we'll do the verbs in Chinese language and you have to repeat after
Okay.
me. Xie.
Okay, sir.
Speak up please.
She.
Xie. Now over here with E we have a sound like this. Xie.
She.
Xie. I can write it one more time. You have to repeat after me. Okay. Xie. Speak up. Speak up please.
She.
Xie. See, over here
She.
you have a sound. First you have a downward sound, xie, and then you have upper sound, xie. Speak up, xie.
She.
Xie is my verb. This is my verb to write.
Okay.
So xie,
Yes.
xie is my verb to write, but with e. With E, we have a sound. First, we have a sound like down, and then we have a sound upward, right? Speak up,
Right.
xie. Speak up, xie.
She.
See my hand. Xie, xie.
She.
Speak up,
She.
xie. Speak up, xie.
She.
Xie is my
She.
vocab to basically to write. To write. Xie is to write, likhna. So
Right.
now you have to
Right.
repeat after me. Suo, suo, xie,
Suo.
suo, xie. Speak up, please. Speak up.
She.
You have to repeat after me. suo, xie,
suo,
suo,
xie,
xie, xie, suo, suo,
xie,
xie. Speak
suo,
up, xie.
xie,
So xie is my
xie.
vocab to write. Is that clear to you?
Yes, yes, sir.
So now repeat after me. Suo. Speak up. Suo.
Suo,
Xie.
suo,
Speak up.
xie,
Xie. Speak up. Xie.
xie,
So over here,
xie,
xie. Xie. Xie is my
xie.
vocab to write. Is that clear to you?
Okay. Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Sure, sure. So speak up, please. Now you have two verbs, two vocab in Chinese language, and you have to repeat out, please. Speak up, please.
Suo,
Xie.
suo,
Xie.
xie,
Very good. Very
xie.
good. Now, we have a next character, and it is very important, basically. Very
Okay, sir.
important character. Now, you just repeat after me. Hans. Speak up.
Han,
Hans. Speak up. Hans.
Han,
Hans. We have a sound
Han,
downwards. We have a sound
Han,
downwards. That Z. Z I. Speak up. Speak up. That Z I, right? Speak up. Speak up. Hans. Hans. Hans.
Han,
I can repeat one more time over here. I can write it down over here one more time. See. Hans. Speak up.
Han,
Hans. Speak up, please.
Han,
Hans. So, A,
Han.
we have a down sound. Again, we have a downward sound. Hans.
Okay, sir.
Speak up.
Han,
Hans. Hans.
Han,
Hans.
Han,
Hans is
Han.
basically your Chinese character.
Okay, sir.
Chinese character, Chinese characterization, because in Chinese we have a characters writing, right? So that Chinese character we call as Hans. Chinese
Han,
character we call as Hans. Speak up.
Han,
Hans. Speak up. Hans.
Han,
So now repeat
Han,
after me. Suo. Suo.
Suo,
Speak up.
Suo,
Suo. Xie.
Suo,
Speak up. Xie.
Xie,
Hans.
Xie,
Speak up. Hans.
Han,
Is that clear to
Han.
Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So repeat after me. So we have Z I. Z I
That,
sound is speak up.
okay, sir.
Is that
That
clear to
eyes.
you? The Z I sound is
That's, that's, that's.
is that clear to you? Is that
Yes, sir.
clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Speak up. So that how the language works. That how the language works. Is that clear to you? So I can repeat
Yes,
three characterization. Speak up
yes, sir.
Hans. Speak up Hans.
Hans,
We already have done this vocabulary. Nian. Speak up. Nian.
Nian,
Speak up. Nian. Nian.
Nian,
Speak up. Nian.
Nian,
The sound is
Nian,
downward. Speak up. Nian. Speak up. Nian.
Nian,
Speak after me.
Nian,
Nian.
Nian,
Nian is my
Nian.
vocab to read. So today I'm telling you, the verbs in Chinese. So to read. Speak up. Nian. So we have a
Nian,
down sound. The Nian. Speak up. Nian. Nian is my
Nian,
vocab to read.
Nian,
Now you have to repeat after me. Suo. My sound is going downwards. Suo. Speak up.
Suo,
Suo. Suo.
Suo,
Xie.
Suo,
Speak up. Xie.
Xie,
Use your body language.
Xie,
Xie. Hans. Speak
Xie,
up. Hans. Speak up. Hans.
Hans,
Nian.
Hans,
Speak up. Nian.
Nian,
Nian is my vocab
Nian.
to read. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
So repeat after me.
Nian.
Suo. Speak up. Suo. Xie.
Suo,
Speak up. Xie.
Xie,
No need to write down.
Xie.
No need to write down. आपको लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Why? Because I will share. अभी it is just you have to understand, right? I will
Okay, okay,
share the entire recording of my live session at your
okay,
WhatsApp.
sir.
You can open the link and you will see the recording and then you will pen down. Is that clear to you?
Okay, sir. Okay,
Right? So now speak up. So just
okay,
try
sir.
to use my body language. Speak up. Use the body language. Suo. Speak up. Suo.
Suo,
Xie.
suo,
Speak up. Xie.
xie,
Hans.
xie,
Speak up. Hans. Speak up. Han.
han, han,
Nian. Speak up. Nian. Nian.
nian,
Speak up.
nian,
Nian. Repeat after me. Nian.
nian,
Speak up.
nian,
Nian. Shanks.
nian,
Speak
shan,
up. Shanks. Now over here. Shanks.
shan,
Now
shan,
shunts.
shan,
Flat sound. Shunts.
shan, shan,
Okay, over here, what we have to do is, let me read.
si,
That is CI, not ZI. That is CI.
si,
Shunts. Speak up.
shan,
Speak up.
shan,
Shunts. Speak up. Shunts.
shan,
Shunts. Speak up.
shan,
Shunts.
shan,
Speak up. Shunts.
shan,
Shunts. See, it's
shan,
very important to understand now. ZI,
that
okay, and CI sound in Chinese. Very important to understand. ZI
okay,
sound is ts. ZI sound is ts.
si, si, tis,
And CI sound is ts. Adha th. This is my th.
si,
Ts.
ठीक है,
Is that clear to you?
ओके सर,
ये है हमारा आधा थ, th, s,
और
and the sir. So over here we have we have a lot of similarities over here. Shunts, speak up, shunts,
शन,
speak up,
शन,
shunts, speak up, shunts.
शन,
Shunts is
शन,
basically your new word. Shunts. Shunts
शन,
is your new word.
शन,
New word. We say new word, naya akshar, new word. Shunts.
शन,
Speak up,
शन,
shunts. So shunts
शन,
is your new word. Is that clear to you?
यस सर,
So
शन,
can we repeat the
शन,
entire recording one more time? So you have to repeat after me. Suo, speak up please.
सुओ,
Suo, oh,
सुओ,
we have a sound which is down sound. Suo, suo is my
सो,
vocab to do and to make. Speak up. Suo, speak up. Suo,
सुओ,
suo,
सुओ,
suo.
सुओ,
Suo is my vocab to
सुओ,
do and to make. Is that clear to you? Is that
यस
clear
सर,
to you? Now
यस
speak
सर,
up. She, speak up.
शिए,
She, speak after me. She,
शिए,
speak up.
शिए,
She, over here, she.
शिए,
See, we have a sound like
शिए,
this and like this. She is my vocab
शिए,
to write, likhna. She, speak up. She,
शिए,
speak up.
शिए,
Hans, speak after me.
हंस,
Hans, speak up.
हंस,
Hans, speak
हंस,
up. Now Hans,
हंस,
very important over here. We have we have a down sounds,
डाउन,
right? Hans,
हंस,
Hans is basically a
हंस,
Chinese character. Now repeat after me. Hans, speak up. Z-I.
हंस,
Hans is your Chinese character. Is that clear to you?
यस सर,
Speak up. Nian. Speak up.
नियान,
Nian. Speak up, please.
नियान,
Nian.
नियान,
Speak up, please. Nian is
नियान,
my vocab to read. Read karna. Is that clear to you? So no, so now you have 4 5 vocabularies. Suo. Speak up. Suo.
सुओ, सुओ,
Xie. Speak up. Xie.
शिए,
Han.
शिए,
Speak up.
हंस,
Han.
हंस,
Nian. Downward sound. Nian. Speak up. Nian.
नियान,
Shunts. Speak
नियान,
up, please. Shunts.
शांत,
Shunts. Speak up.
शांत,
Shunts.
शांत,
Speak up. Shunts. Shunts is
शांत,
basically a new word. New word. Speak up.
शांत,
Shunts. Speak up.
chance.
Shans.
New word. Chance.
Is that clear to you? Speak up.
Yes, sir.
Shans.
Chance.
Shans
Chance.
is basically your new word. Speak up. Think.
Okay.
Th. T sound is th
Think.
in Chinese. Speak up. T sound is th. My pen down, please. थोड़ा थोड़ा लिख लो. Or either you will get a recording also. So there's no need to write down.
Okay.
It is just you have to understand. T sound is th. Th. It's thermos wala th. Thermos. Th.
Okay.
Th. Speak up. Think. Very floating sound we have. Float sound.
Think.
Write it down over here. Speak. Speak up. समझ आ रहा है आपको? Do you understand?
जी जी. Yes, sir.
Speak up. Think. Speak up.
Think.
Think. Think
Think.
is my vocab to listen. Think. Think.
Think.
Think.
Think.
Think. Think
Think.
is my vocab to listen, to hear.
Listen.
So now you have a vocabulary
Okay.
you have to speak after me. So speak up. So
So.
she.
So.
Speak up. She.
She.
Hans.
She.
Speak up.
Hans.
Hans. Speak up. Hans.
Hans.
Nia.
Hans.
Speak up.
Nyan.
Nian. Shanks.
Nyan.
Speak up.
Shan.
Shanks. Speak up.
Shan.
Shanks. Ten.
Shans.
Speak up. Ten.
Ten.
Speak up. Ten.
Ten.
Speak up. Ten.
Ten.
Luin.
Ten.
Speak up. Luin. Speak up.
Louis.
Very important vocabulary. Luin. Speak up. Luin. So,
Louis.
Luin. Luin. In. We have a floating, we have a flat sound. Flat. Luin.
Okay.
Speak up. Luin.
Louis.
Speak up, please.
Louis.
Luin. Speak up, please.
Louis.
You, we have a
Louis.
down sound. Luin is my vocab to record. Like we are doing the recording also of the session. So that recording we call as Luin. Recording.
Louis.
Recording we called as the record.
Louis.
Recording we called as Luin. Speak up, Luin. Speak up, Luin. Speak up, please. Luin. Luin. See,
Louis.
the sound is downwards. Luin.
Okay.
Luin. Speak up, Luin. Speak up, Luin. Speak up, Luin.
Louis.
Speak up, please. Speak up. Speak up. Luin.
Louis.
Speak up, Luin.
Louis.
Luin is my vocab
Louis.
to record. Is that clear to you?
Okay.
So can we
Yes, sir.
repeat one more time? Speak up. Suo. Speak up. Suo.
Suo. Suo.
Xie. Speak up. Xie.
CA.
Hans.
CA.
Han.
Han.
Nian.
Hans.
Speak up. Nian.
Nian.
Shangs.
Nian.
Speak up. Shangs.
Shan.
Teng.
Shans.
Speak up. Teng.
Tang.
Speak up. Teng.
Tang. Tang.
Speak up.
Tang.
Speak up.
R.
We have a sound which we have a downward sound. Speak up. Speak up, please.
R.
The sound is downwards. Speak up. Is my
R.
number two. Number two, numeric.
R. Okay, sir.
Is that clear to you? Speak up.
Yes, sir.
Speak up.
R.
Sun.
R.
Speak up. Sun.
San.
Speak up. Sun.
San. San.
Sun. We have a flat sound. Speak up. Sun. Sun.
San.
Sun.
San.
Sun.
San.
Sun is my number
San.
three. Sun is my number three. Speak up. Speak up. Sir. Speak up. Sir.
Sir.
Speak up, please. Sir. Speak up, please.
Sir.
Sir. Sir is also we have a downward sound. So speak up.
Sir.
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 Speak up. Sir. Speak up.
Sir.
Sir. Speak up. Sir.
Sir.
Sir is number four.
Sir.
Sir is number
Sir.
four. So
Yes.
repeat after me. Repeat it, please. Tuo, tuo, xie, xie,
Xie.
hans,
Xie.
hans,
San.
nian,
Hans.
nian,
Nian.
shan.
Nian.
Speak up, please.
Shan.
Speak up. Suo. Speak up. Suo. Xie.
Suo.
Speak up. Xie.
Xie.
Hans.
Xie.
Speak up then. Hans.
Han.
Nian.
Han.
Nian.
Nian.
Shanks,
Lian,
speak up. Shanks,
Yang,
Heng,
Shans,
Heng,
Hen,
Heng,
Hen,
Luin,
Hen,
speak up. Luin,
Luin, Luin,
speak up.
Er,
Number two.
Er,
San, San, number
Han,
three.
San,
Sir,
San,
sir,
San,
sir, sir is number four. Now speak up. Sai Chien, speak up. Sai Chien, speak up, please. ZAI, speak up. Sai Chien, speak up, please. Sai Chien.
Zai
Sai
Zai
Chien
Qian,
is bye bye. Speak up. Sai Chien, speak up. Sai Chien.
Zai Qian,
So over here
Zai Qian,
we have is Sai Chien. We have
Zai Qian,
a sound. Speak up. Sai Chien. Speak up.
Zai Qian,
Float. We have a
Zai,
downward sound.
Zai, Zai Qian,
Sai Chien. Speak up. Sai Chien. Speak up. Sai Chien.
Zai Qian,
Speak up. Sai
Zai
Chien.
Qian,
Sai Chien is bye
Zai
bye.
Qian.
Speak up. Sai Chien. Now, what I will do is listen to me very carefully. Very carefully. See, I'm not saying you to write it down. Number one. I will repeat one more time. I will repeat one more time. I will share the recording abhi, right away. Today only I will share the recording. You have to listen the recording, then you have to pen down. Clear हो रहा है आपको? देखो,
Okay,
मैं क्या
okay,
करूँगा?
sir.
I will send you the link इस recording
Okay,
का.
sir.
The moment you will open the link, और अब मेरी वीडियो स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, राइट? तो
Ji.
आपको वीडियो पॉज कर करके यू हैव टू राइट डाउन. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू?
Okay, sir.
राइट, सो यू हैव टू
Okay,
स्पीक आफ्टर मी,
okay,
बिकॉज until and unless I can do the conversation, the one I these vocab will be fixed in my mind. Is that clear to you?
okay.
So speak up.
Yes,
So
sir.
speak up. So
Su,
speak up, please.
Su,
So do like this. So
Su,
she.
Su,
Speak up. She.
Xie,
Speak up. She.
Xie,
Hans.
Xie,
Speak up. Hans. Hans, speak up. Hans, Nyan, speak up. Nyan is my vocab to read. Hans is my new character. लिखना है आपको. Hans is my vocab to new Chinese character. Sorry, it's a new character. It's not. That's a Shanks is my new words. So now you have to repeat
Shan,
after me. Suo, speak up. Suo, speak up. Suo,
Su,
Xie,
Su,
speak up. Xie,
Xie,
Hans,
Xie,
speak up. Hans.
Hans,
Hans is my
Han,
Chinese character. Hans is my Chinese character. Nyan, speak up. Nyan,
Nian,
speak up. Nyan,
Nian,
Shanks,
Nian,
speak up. Shanks,
Shans,
speak up. Shanks,
Shans,
speak up.
Shans,
Speak up.
Shans,
Shanks is my new
Shan.
word. Shanks is
Okay, sir.
my new word. Speak up.
New.
Heng, speak up. Heng,
Ten,
Heng.
ten,
Luin,
ten,
speak up. Luin,
Lin,
speak up. Luin.
Luin, Luin,
Speak up.
Er,
San,
Er,
San,
San,
speak up. San.
San, San,
S, speak up. S,
Su,
speak up. S, speak up,
Se,
please. Sai Chien,
Se,
speak up. Sai Chien,
Shai Qian,
speak up.
Sai
Sai
Qian,
Chien. Is it clear to you?
Shai Qian,
Sai Chien is bye bye. So
bye
can
bye.
you repeat one more time? Speak up. So, speak up. So,
Suo,
my vocab to do and
Suo,
to make. Xie, xie,
Xie,
xie.
Xie,
A is my vocab
Xie,
to write. Hans, speak up. Hans.
Han,
Hans is my
Han,
Chinese character. Nyan, Nyan,
Nian,
Nyan is my vocab
Nian,
to read. Speak up. Shanks, speak up.
Shans,
Shanks. Shanks is my
Shan,
new word. Thang, speak up. Thang.
Ten,
Louis,
Ten,
speak up. Louis,
Luin,
Louis,
Luin,
speak up. Louis.
Luin,
Er,
Luin,
San,
Er,
San,
San,
Saiqian. Speak up.
Sai,
Saiqian. Saiqian is
Sai
bye bye.
Qian.
Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir, yes.
Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Now, what you have to do is, I'm giving you 1 hour. I'm giving you 1 hour. I'm sending
Okay,
you
sir.
the recording in your WhatsApp. Whatever we have,
Okay, sir.
उसको लिखना है. You share the feedback कि
Okay, sir.
how you feel, कितना आपको समझ आया है. उससे पहले
ठीक.
रिवाइज करते हैं. स्पीक अप. नी हाओ, नी हाओ,
Ni hao,
नी हाओ,
ma,
नी हाओ मा, नी हाओ मा,
wo,
वो
ni hao ma,
हन हाओ. स्पीक अप. वो हन हाओ,
Rohan, how?
Nina. Speak up, Nina. Speak up, Nina. And you, speak up, Nina. Speak up, please. Nina.
Nina,
我也很好. Speak up, 我也很好. Speak up, 我也很好. 我也很好. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? Right? So, ni hao ma. Is it clear?
how ma?
Is that clear to you? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.